What's going on, you guys? Connor here, and in this video I'm taking you guys through my product that I would have you guys sell. I'm going to give you the interests, I'm going to tell you how to make the video ads, and I'm giving you all the targeting basically. So it takes all the, I'd say, thinking out of dropshipping, and so you guys can just sit back, relax, open up another screen, another browser, and just follow along with me as I show you this product and I show you exactly how you can test it. I'll give you the ad copy, headline, thumbnail, all that stuff. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I love you guys as my followers. You guys are awesome, and I want to provide some more value to you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is a product. It's the shoe spike basically. So I'll go ahead and show you it really quick here. What it looks like. It's essentially this little rubber thing that you can attach and stretch to your shoes so that you don't fall on ice. Now this is a product as you see it, being demonstrated here. It's it's just a non-silicone grip, so you don't have to struggle on any floors, ice, and stuff like that. The ad was launched. I want you to notice something too as you're watching. Is the ad was launched in November of 2018. So it was launched last year. It was obviously doing well around the winter time. There's a reason this ad did well around that time, because that's when it served a need for people. I think this is a great safety product if you think about it, because this type of product here, and you can get it on AliExpress for only $3. This type of product you can buy in multiple different colors, so you can get it for you could sell it to kids, you could sell it to adults, you could sell it to just anyone in general, right? And this is a good product if you think about people. Why do people have emergency kits in their car, or first aid kits around their house, or they carry them with them? Is because they're always worried about if they're going to need it at some point, and these are going to help prevent injury. So it's definitely a safety product that I'd market to people. I'd show its benefits in use at the very beginning of the video. So rather than just showing a person putting them on, what I do at the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video is I'd actually put someone almost slipping on ice, so it looks like they're about to fall. But then you can go in there right with the solution, or you can say has this ever happened to you? And then boom, they're about to fall on the ice or something like that. And then you can show how this is the solution to that problem. You can also explain how dangerous it is to slip on ice, and how you can break your back, break your legs, whatever it may be. And you can be in long-term pain for a while. So why would you put yourself at risk by not having these products? It's super cheap. You're going to sell it for around $20 is what I'd say. Sell it for $20, and for $20 people can get that peace of mind and they could stay safe, right? That's how I'd market this product. So $3. 4.7 stars on Amazon. I couldn't find the product, or 4.7 stars on AliExpress. I couldn't find the exact product on Amazon here, but as you can see, I just wanted to show you the demand and some of the quality, 264 reviews, 300, 300, 200, 3,000, right? There's a lot of good reviews on here. Almost all of these are over 4 stars. They pretty much are. The product is definitely got demand. It's high quality. You don't have to worry about that. And then let's go ahead and jump right into ads managers. So how you want to set up this campaign. Last time we did a $50 a day CBO with 10 ad sets. This time we're going to be doing a $100 a day CBO with 20 ad sets. Okay, so if you guys want to do a $10 a day, 10 ad set CBO, sorry, this isn't the video for you. You can check out my last one where I gave you a different product. Okay, so this is ramping it up a little bit. This is for people who are serious and really want to test this product. You can do the same thing with other products as well. But yeah, we're just going to follow this strategy. So like I said, CBO campaign, we're just going to name it CBO shoe spikes. Then we're going to go to the ad set level. Just put the date up there. Make sure your pixel's linked. And then all we're going to do is make sure the date is running it for midnight the next day. And we're not going to put any ad spend limits on this one. Locations, I just put the big 4 here. You can put tier 1 or your e-packet. What I'd recommend doing is probably tier 1 on this product. And then the age range, I actually want to, instead of doing 25 plus, we're going to just set it at 20 plus. Gender's all. And then interest, we'll go ahead and get rid of interest, and we're going to add some interest in here later on. All right. Edit placements. You want to just do edit placements. And then when you edit placements, just uncheck the desktop. So we're only going to do mobile placements on here. We scroll all the way down. We're going to make sure our optimization for ad delivery is set on conversions, and our conversion window is 1 day clicks. So then when we go to the ad level, okay, and for creating your guys' ads, make sure your Facebook page is linked. I just put a picture of myself here on it so we can see what the ad looks like at the end. Obviously, don't use my picture. Find a video and create your own video, or get a video done by a video editing company. What I'd recommend doing is actually having 2 creatives. So if we go ahead and duplicate this, I recommend having 2 creatives, 2 ads for all your ad sets. Normally I like to do 3, but for this case we'll do 2. And how you guys can create these creatives, right? Ads are extremely important in dropshipping and any Facebook ads, obviously, right? The creative is your moneymaker. You're creative. You can literally put a creative out there and it can make thousands of dollars for you without you really having to touch it. And that's because it's going to get a high CTR. If the ad's engaging, Facebook's going to reward you by putting that video out to, higher quality traffic and just to more people. You're going to get lower CPMs, you're going to get lower CPCs, and overall it's going to be a better experience and more profitable for your business. So that's why I really focus on creating the video ads. I use a video editing company company called Dropship Vids Fast. No, this isn't just a video for a plug for them. I actually use them. My students use them. We've had great results, as you guys have seen on the channel. So I'd recommend, checking them out. First link in the description. If you guys want to get a professional video done, you can get 2 videos done for $77, a split test, which is exactly what I recommend you do. So, the product test is only going to put you at around $177. Not too crazy, especially the high level and high quality product test you're doing. And that's why I'm giving you interest on this product. Okay, so $77 if you guys want 2 video variations. If you only want one, it only costs $57. And yeah, you get unlimited revisions. I've tested this, company. I've tested these ads and they perform extremely well. So go ahead and check them out if you want to invest some money and really do your product. If not, go ahead and create the video yourself. The software I would use would be Adobe Premiere or Animoto. Those 2 have been the easiest for me to use. Adobe Premiere is a little bit more for experienced video editors, but I think Animoto is a really good beginner one if you guys want to create ads yourself. So this is what I do basically. I'd create the same ad copy, and all we're going to do is we're going to have the same thumbnail, same ad copy, and all we're going to do is have 2 different videos, right? So we're going to, the thumbnail is going to stay the same for all these. The only thing we're changing on these videos is video itself, okay? And usually the video itself, the only thing that's going to change is like the first 5 seconds. So what I do essentially is we'll just, go ahead and type out the ad copy here, all right? These are spikes for shoes. So what I'm thinking is stay safe in the summer month, or in the winter with these safe spikes, okay? And then what I do is I'd actually put like a testimonial on here, so we can do like the 5-star emoji. You can get the 5-star emoji from emojicopy.com, 5-star emoji, and then we'll just do like a quotation here, and we'll say, I've fallen on the ice many times, so right when I saw this product, I had to get it. I had to order mine. Let's just say it's saved me a lot of potential back pain, right? Something like that. And you could just say, I don't know, if you're targeting it to men, or, well, if we're doing general, I just say, let's say Kristen W. And then headline. So right, this is what the ad copy looks like. If you want to see the different previews, you can click on that and see the different previews. Headline is going to be right here. What I'd recommend for the headline as this is something that stands out, something that tells people that they can buy this product, but also is going to kind of draw them in. So I'd say never, oh, that's perfect. Never slip again. Never slip on ice again, right? Because that's exactly what these products are for. This product is for. So never slip on ice again. That's what I'd use as the headline. And then the description, you can just do something very simple. You could put like 5 stars in here and then just say the product name. So super safe spikes or something like that, right? I don't know what you're going to call the product, but just whatever your product name is, you need to change the product name up here. So super safe spikes. That way they know. Yeah, boom, you do that. And then all you're going to have to do down here is put your, website URL and then the shop now button, and this ad is good to go. So you do that same ad on the other, ad copy, right? So you'd have ad creative 1, ad creative 2. Ad copy is going to be the same. Only thing you're changing is the video if you're using Dropship Vids Fast, or you can create your own video as well. That's how I'd set that up. And then all you're going to do is very simple here. We're just going to click on duplicate, and we're going to go ahead and duplicate this 19 times, all right? Because then we have 20 ads since we're doing $100 a day CBO budget. All right, so here we are. We got a lot of ads on here, so we have a lot of different interests that we can target, which is why I like doing a little bit bigger budget, because it's kind of fun. You can get creative with the interests you're going to target. And what you'll find is a lot of these will actually, well, some of them won't perform well, but some will perform very well, and it'll surprise you which kind of interests that do well. So on a campaign like this, I generally let it run for, I'd let it run for a day or 2. After the first day, if you don't get any like add to carts or your CTR is below about 3%, then what I'd say is you need to focus on creating a better ad, and you need to focus on maybe finding a product that has more demand. But we know this product has demand, so I'd say like your ads are probably the issue if you're getting a low CTR and you're not getting any add to carts. If you're not getting add to carts, your price is probably a little bit too high, so maybe lower that down. I'd say price point on this product, set it at like $19 or maybe like $15, $16 start out, and then you can raise the price on later on. Or you could sell these in pairs. You could sell 2 for $30, 3 for $30, whatever it may be, and that's how I'd really do this. So what we'll go ahead and do is we will go down to selecting our interests, and you guys can literally use these same interests for this product. I don't care, it doesn't matter to me. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. All you have to do is just go get 2 video ads, and you pretty much copy this and you're good to go. You can launch the product, right? Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and jump through these interests. If you guys want to skip ahead to the video and like see all the interests that I have on here, feel free to do that. Doesn't matter to me. Just make sure you smash the like if you're going to do that, right? Smash that like button. Thank you if you did it. Appreciate it. So yeah, we'll go ahead and start out with just, let's start out with winter, right? Winter is the general niche that we're going to be doing here. So we'll do winter. See, 3.6 million. So that's good. Usually I'd say 4 to 6 million. But if it's close, around 3, 2 million, it's okay. So let's check out some more audiences here. So winter, we want to go winter, and let's type in winter again, and we'll see some suggestions for that. All right, so we'll go winter, we'll go cold. Okay, that works great. So I like doing very, very broad ones. So this one's actually 2 million, so I kind of want to do a little bit bigger of one. So maybe let's do snow instead. All right, snow is 24 million. Perfect. All right, there's 2 interests, and we're just going to keep going down the list here. Hopefully you guys are following along with me. Let's type in snow and see what comes up. Winter, we already got winter. We got skiing, snowboarding. So I'd say outerwear is probably a good one. Let's see how big that is. Outerwear is 3.3 million. And the other thing, so that was the interest itself, right? Niche itself is winter, snow, outerwear. Now we want to kind of go into the product itself, see if we can get, I like to do around like 5 of each. So let's find 2 more around the winter or cold, stuff like that. Let's see, storm, okay, so storm is 3.6 million, and we'll just find 1 more related to the specific niche, and then we'll go into the actual product itself, like shoes, safety, stuff like that. So winter, let's go ice. Ice is probably obviously a good one. Yeah, ice. All right, 17 million. And the reason we do this is because we just want to diversify our interests. The key with Facebook ads is diversifying. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? That's why we're doing multiple ads. We're doing a lot of different interests, so we're hitting different buyers on Facebook, and we're just going to let Facebook run and let it optimize and find our buyers for us. All right, so what I do now is maybe shoes. Let's just search shoes, and then let's also narrow this by engaged shoppers. You can narrow by engaged shoppers or household income. I do either. For this case, we'll just do engaged shoppers because it's probably what most of you guys are familiar with. And then, like I said, keep the audience size around 4 to 60 million. That's generally what works best for Facebook, especially cold interest testing. So that's 6 ad sets there, 6 interests. So now we're going to do the same thing. We'll just type in shoes, and then what we'll do is okay, footwear is great. So we'll do footwear, and then that's 67. So we'll go ahead and narrow this one by engaged shoppers again. All right, and we're just going to keep moving on to these next interests. And this is the fun part of Facebook ads, you guys. Yay, you're having fun yet? Let's do the same thing. Shoes and suggestions, sneakers, footwear, about the same thing. So let's try it out. Sneakers. Okay, so that's actually 33 million. Perfect. So we can just use this one, and let's keep moving on to the next one. So that's 1, 2, 3. We need 2 more. So 4 and 5. All right. Find something else related to shoes. So maybe let's see like shoe store. Oh, we haven't even got boot yet. Let's do boot. 12 million. Perfect. All right. That puts us at what? That's that at 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Let's get the 10th one here, and then we can move on to the next shoe. Let's type in boot this time, and then let's type in some suggestions. Hiking boot. Actually, I kind of like that. Even though this isn't an actual hiking boot, I think that this might appeal to those types of people who are searching for hiking boots, right? You never know. I just like throwing it out there. So now what we're going to do is we've done the product itself. We've done the niche itself. Now we're going to do is a little bit expand more into maybe like some brands that people that would sell shoes, or brands that would sell safety gear, or even just like safety in general, right? So we can do, say like, let's type in safety first. Okay, 60. Okay, perfect. So we'll do copy this. Put that at the top there. I'll type in safety again. Do some suggestions. Some safety, road traffic safety. Try that out. Even though that's cars, people who are walking on the sidewalk, maybe think of, how that would relate. I think it's got a potential there. So this next one, let's try and find some companies that would be selling, shoes. So like, I'm thinking of UGG, like boots companies, right? So UGG boots, 2.9 million. That's okay. Okay, guys. So I went ahead and filled in the rest of the interest, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. So I chose steel toe plus Chelsea boots. I chose Adidas, Nike, The Office, and then Community. And then the last 2 I just did very broad, and I did pets plus HI, which stands for household income. So I did household income, top 25 to 50% of zip codes at 12 million. And then I did newspapers and narrowed down by the top 5% zip codes in the US. Okay, so those are all the interests there. You guys can use those interests, no problem. Use my targeting, use my ad copy, and just get the videos from Dropship Vids fast, you guys. First link in the description if you want that. And let me know how your guys' product test goes too. And if you guys like more videos like this, or you want me to do this on a product that maybe you're thinking about testing, just go ahead and send it to me in the comments, or just send it to me through the DMs on Instagram, and that's not a problem. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys smash a like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications. Wow, I'm getting a little bit better at that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, keep your mind right. Peace.